We have a lot of different technology we can work with, NVMEs, 36-bay pre-erase systems that we have over here, direct to Ubuntu to run different commands. If we need to restructure a partition table that might have been a little quirky, we can do that and we can script that there. Even we go into Windows too. This is running like an Intel, so sometimes when you do firmware update on hard drives, if there's some kind of funky, if they took an 800 gig drive and made it into a 600 gig drive with different firmware, we can do different things. We can run all the different manufacturing stuff. We even have capability over here to erase PCIe cards and PCIe NVMe storage. Quite not as popular there. See, we have a lot of systems in stock. These here are what we use when we need to switch over to M.2 cards, like this system here, when we need to mount and erase NVMe M.2s in systems. A lot of different issues that come up with this new modern stuff that are included in our software. We have, you have to load drivers and you have to update that. So we have a constant team of people supporting us over here in our different things. So this is our remote section, working with our technicians right now, where we might be able to load an NVMe driver, etc. So the last functionality, as we said, this is called Ebony, which starts out with erasing and pre-erasing our hard drives and logging into our database system. So if we take a look at this serial J4480MGN, we come on over here to our database and we can take a look and see how that's logging. 440MGM, do a search. We come on up here, do the drive list on that. We can see that it'll link it to this PO that had it, and it'll highlight that technology. So we can see all the hard drives as they're logged in for here. This will come back to our final erase product that logs in our database. Customers can see the database. They can see this project with their own proprietary login. They can see what progress is being made for their erase. They can reconcile it. They can see any type of edits we make, and it's all documented under an ISO level procedures to document all these different steps and procedures. And that's what makes RSD2 erase different than anybody else's hard drive erase. It's the level of quality and product and experience that we have on physically getting your hard drives audited from the data center to your direct erase report that comes out. So you have assurances that it's 100% of your product has been data erased. So this has been John from RSD2, and I'd just like to thank you for watching. If you have any other questions, please feel free to contact any of us or schedule it online.